Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I had done the unboxing of the USB colorful sunset lights M9 with the sound sync technology. So this is the review or test. So let's try. You see this before, right? So just with the power bank. So all right. So if we follow what they say here, like this, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, now if let's say we no lights, so this is something like this, right? Okay, now I'm gonna need the light because I have to read this thing. So the first, when you put on the power source, it will be 3-color gradient, and then press the first press here, this one. Okay, you press this, it will be blue light flashing. Okay, and then second press, red flashing. Okay, and then third press will be green light flashing, like this. Okay, and then the fourth press, now 7-color gradient of the light. Okay, and then the fifth press, okay, voice control color gradient. Now it's nothing. Ha, hello. So it's follow hello, hello. But if I put on music, actually just now I try with music, but it doesn't really sync with music. So it needs to like hello, 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 like A B C D E F G. So you have to shout a bit, then it will follow your voice. Okay, and then the sixth press is RGB gradient, like this. Okay, and then 7 press 6-color gradient. Okay, and then 8 press color gradient and flicker. So color gradient, and then come the flicker later on, and this flicker. All right, and then the 9th press, shut down. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Review for me for the USB colorful sunset light M9. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.